ka Deputy Commissioner Jonga South West Kasil District ikong karamay kharkongor ha ka jingkran ban play perda ya ka 8 South West Khasi Hills District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet Arja R4R hapo madan sites not maulungwir kalapan kan mawi ki kina school balada ki kwa ban kiew ha ka pule puthi bat ka kam ïalehkai baper kidi ban kiar ne ki jingmlien bas sniew khamtam mi ki drugs bat ki wei ki jingdi pen buai ke ba pen sniew ye ki jingim henry kidi ban pen mlien ha ka jingkilan met ne ki wei pat ki jing ïalehkai ki ban yelam mi ki shakelen ti ki jingbha bat ka lawei badap de ki jingkermen ilo ong ru ba ka kam ïalehkai kam dei tang ka jingpen berngia henry ka dei ka lat yo kam yo jam ban kintew ye ke jingim hadian kane ila kintew ru ye ke lama bat pen bana bala play ye ke ne ke inter school athletic meet araja R4R
They can excel in sports given the right temperament, the right coaching, profession, and the discipline. So that's why if we view sports or anything in life, we have to be serious about it. We have to be disciplined soldiers in whatever we intend to do. And once we become disciplined soldiers, we automatically will keep away from all the evil habits. Because along with the advancement in technology, etc., we also have very evil influences in our district. We know that the substance abuse these days is very rampant. It has also reached this corner of the district. So, my dear students, I would like to request you to be aware that once you indulge yourselves in these evil habits, your life, your outlook to life will change. You will not have the confidence in yourself. Because to excel, you need confidence. So, therefore, please keep away from drugs, tobacco, which is also a problem. We have a lot of parents coming out and saying, do something to our children because they, after their school hours, which they are not serious about their studies, they indulge in these evil activities. So, my dear students, please form extra interest, extra curricular activities, and sports is one channel that would keep you in the right track. Students, please remember that in life you need to have a disciplined life, a healthy life, and that is how you build up your own self. Coming back to sports events, like it is very encouraging to have these inter-school athletic meets because they not only encourage competition. In this present age, nothing comes without competition. You are realizing it now that in class you need to compete, in any field you need to compete to get to your goals. Therefore, please view this event as a learning ground to compete. But competition should also be healthy. It should not demoralize you because more importantly in such events is the spirit of participation. And that spirit of participation is a very, very rewarding experience. So it is all a learning process because the learning process starts from the cradle, it ends with the grave. So we keep learning, we keep making mistakes, and we learn from these mistakes, and that is how we go on in life. So, in conclusion, I would just like to say that underlying all these things, please know as students, you need to concentrate also on your education because a certain level of literacy is required. In today's age, you need to be a literate citizen world. You need to become a literate citizen of the country, of the state, so that you can meaningfully contribute to the society. And as we know that students are our future. So we depend on you very much. You live your life, you enjoy yourselves, but remember that you should always keep in the right track. So with these few very words, I wish